Your pod is crashing in production, and you need to see what's happening right now. There's one kubectl command that every engineer reaches for first. The answer is kubectl logs followed by the pod name. This command fetches the standard output and standard error from your pod's main container. It's the fastest way to see what your application is actually doing. Just like Docker logs, but for Kubernetes pods. The pod name is required. You can get it from kubectl get pods. But here's where it gets powerful. Add the -f flag. That's -f or -- follow. And kubectl will stream logs in real time. Now you're watching your application's output live, just like using tail-f on a log file. Perfect for debugging issues as they happen. What if your pod has multiple containers? Maybe you're running a sidecar pattern with an app container and a logging agent. By default, kubectl log shows the first container. To pick a specific one, use the -c flag followed by the container name. For example, kubectl logs my pod-c-linux gets logs from just the Linux container. Here's the real debugging superpower. The -- previous flag. When a container crashes and restarts, its logs disappear. But Kubernetes keeps the previous container's logs around temporarily. Use kubectl logs mypod -- previous to see what happened right before the crash. This is critical for root cause analysis. You can even combine it with -f to tail the current container while having the previous log saved. So remember, kubectl logs with the pod name is your starting point. Add -f to stream, -c to pick containers, and -- previous to debug crashes. Master these 4 patterns, and you'll troubleshoot Kubernetes like a pro. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.